Welcome back to our channel, where we provide the most up-to-date financial strategies for entrepreneurs and small business owners in 2026. Today, we are tackling the holy grail of business finance, which is getting high-limit business credit cards using only your EIN and without a single personal credit check. If you are tired of banks asking for your social security number, or if you are worried that your personal credit score will hold your business back, this video is exactly what you need. The financial landscape has shifted dramatically this year, and traditional banks are no longer the only game in town. We are seeing a massive surge in fintech companies and corporate card providers that care more about your business revenue and cash flow than what you did with a personal credit card 5 years ago. In this comprehensive 10-minute guide, we are going to break down the top 10 cards that allow you to apply with just your employer identification number. We will also discuss the secret requirements that these companies do not always advertise and how you can position your company to get a 100% approval rate even if you are just starting out. Make sure you stay until the very end, because the last few cards on our list are specifically designed for brand new businesses that have zero credit history. To start, we have to understand why 2026 is different. In the past, almost every business card required a personal guarantee, which meant you were personally liable for the debt. If the business failed, the bank could come after your personal assets like your home or your car. However, corporate cards have evolved to look at the entity itself. They use advanced algorithms to scan your business bank account and determine your creditworthiness based on real-time data. This is the safest way to scale your company because it creates a total wall between your personal life and your business finances. Let us get into our first and most popular choice for 2026, which is the BRICS Business Credit Card. BRICS revolutionized the market by being one of the first to offer a true EIN-only application with no personal guarantee. As of right now in 2026, they have made their platform even more accessible for startups. They did not perform a hard pull on your credit, and they did not even ask for your social security number during the primary application phase for many corporate structures. Instead, they want to see that you have a professional business bank account with a healthy balance. Typically, BRICS looks for a cash cushion of at least $50,000, but they have recently introduced a version for smaller businesses with lower revenue as long as you are venture-backed or have consistent monthly sales. The rewards are top tier, offering up to 7 times points on categories like rideshare and travel, which is perfect for the mobile entrepreneur. Next, at number 2, we have the RAMP Business Card. RAMP has quickly become a favorite in 2026 because of its focus on automation and high limits. Like BRICS, RAMP is a corporate charge card that requires no personal credit check and no personal guarantee. What sets RAMP apart this year is their unique underwriting model that rewards businesses for being efficient with their spending. They offer an unlimited 1.5% cash back on every single purchase, which is incredibly simple and effective for businesses with high overhead. To qualify for RAMP, you generally need to have a registered business entity like an LLC or a corporation and a significant amount of cash in the bank. They prioritize companies that are incorporated in the United States and have most of their operations here. One of the best features of RAMP in 2026 is their virtual card system, which allows you to issue hundreds of cards to your team members with strict spending limits, all under your EIN, without ever touching your personal credit file. Moving to number 3, we have the Stripe Corporate Card. If you are an e-commerce seller or if you run a service-based business that uses Stripe for payments, this is likely your easiest path to an EIN-only card. Stripe already sees your revenue flowing in and out every day, so they do not need to check your personal credit score to Know if you are a good risk. In 2026, they have expanded their invite-only program to include more small businesses. If you process at least $5,000 a month on Stripe, you are likely to see an offer in your dashboard for their corporate card. The limit is dynamic, which means it goes up as your sales grow and it goes down if your sales slow down, which protects both you and the lender. There are no annual fees and no interest, because it is a charge card that you pay off in full each month, and it is a fantastic way to keep your business expenses organized right inside your payment processor. At number 4, we are looking at the Fairfigure Capital Card. This is a relatively new player that has taken the 2026 market by storm. Fairfigure is specifically designed for business owners who want to build business credit without using their personal credit at all. They offer an EIN-only charge card that reports to all the major business bureaus, including Dun & Bradstreet and Experian Business. This is crucial because most EIN-only cards do not report to these bureaus, but Fairfigure does. They charge a small monthly subscription fee, but in exchange, they give you access to a credit line based on your business data and revenue. They are very friendly to new look holders and do not require millions in revenue to get started, which makes them a top choice for the average small business owner. Number 5 on our list is Rippling. You might know Rippling as an rent payroll company, but in 2026 they have integrated a powerful corporate card into their ecosystem. If you use Rippling for your payroll or employee management, they offer a card that uses your payroll data to determine your credit limit. This is a true EIN-only card that requires no personal guarantee, because the risk is mitigated by the fact that they see your entire financial operation. It is a very sophisticated solution for companies with at least a few employees, and it allows you to automate your expenses in a way that traditional banks simply cannot match. Halfway through at number 6 is the Row Corporate Card. Row is a full-service business banking platform that offers a high-end credit card with no personal credit check. They are looking for established businesses that want to consolidate their banking and their spending into one place. In 2026, Row has been offering some of the highest limits in the industry for businesses that maintain at least $50,000 in their treasury accounts. The application is fast and entirely digital, and they pride themselves on having a human support team that understands the needs of scaling businesses. If you are looking for a long-term banking partner that will not ask for your social security number every time you want a credit increase, Row is a strong contender.